Introducing Ultraloq Combo, world's first 2-point smart lock for ultimate security and convenience. Ultraloq Combo is a revolutionary smart lock that features 2-point locking and patented one-touch unlocking, which brings simplicity and security together. You can unlock via biometric fingerprint identification, contactless key fob, or your Bluetooth-enabled smartphone. Ultraloq Combo automatically unlocks when the interior lever is turned down. With the optional Ultraloq Bridge, you can receive smartphone notification when your kids arrive home no matter where you are. Simply plug Bridge into an outlet in your home. You can unlock your Ultraloq remotely. You can also share eKey to Airbnb guests for scheduled access from anywhere. Ultraloq works with Alexa, IFTTT, and Google Assistant for smart home integration.